Cruze Eco oil change. Oil filter is located right there. 24mm socket. Just want to put some rags under there. Unscrew your housing. Take out your filter. It's a cartridge filter. Alright, put your car in the air. Get a jack stand. Alright, there's your drain plug. 10mm. Drain your oil. Alright, once you take out your 10mm, let all your oil drain out. Alright, now you just want to pull out your oil filter and replace that O-ring right there. Let's do that now. Alright, new oil filter, new O-ring, reinstall it in your housing. Alright, use your 24mm to tighten it. Your oil filter housing. 5 quarts of 5W30. Just pull it right here. Start your car. Check your dipstick. And that's the oil change on the Chevy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. See you next time.